Alright guys, today I'm talking about the MagSafe charger from Apple, and I need to tell you that it is awesome. Right guys, so I am talking about the MagSafe charger in today's Tech Tuesday video. First and foremost, thank you very much for tuning in to my channel. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video and I hope you find some information that was useful to you. So, first of all, the MagSafe charger from Apple. So first thing I noticed when taking the MagSafe charger out of the box is it's extremely light. It is made of quality material as you would expect from Apple, and for the price that you pay for it, which is roughly about £40 I believe for the MagSafe charger, you should really hope that it is made of materials that are quality. Now, my initial thoughts on the MagSafe charger, which I have right here, is that it's extremely slim, it's extremely light for what it is extremely light. The material feels the same as the material for the original MagSafe, strangely enough, which was for the MacBooks and the MacBook Pros, which they have now actually discontinued. So if you guys aren't too familiar about MagSafe, MagSafe was initially a charger for the MacBooks and the Apple laptops. Instead of having your standard USB that you plug in by cable, this was a magnetic cable which you just slap onto the side and magnetically charge your laptop. And if anything happened or something got pulled away, that magnetic would just pop right off. And that was it. Does it magnetically connect to an iPhone 12 that has a MagSafe case on this phone? Yes, it does. Now, my impressions, firstly, I just need to tell you, is that you've seen the videos, because MagSafe has been out for so long. People, phone, MagSafe, they connect it, and then they do this. And then they start shaking it. I'm not going to do that because I like my phone. Well, I'm going to tell you guys, I tried it for the first time. Now, I didn't have a case on my phone, so this is MagSafe straight to iPhone 12 Pro. It fell off after a few of these. It fell off. So the magnetic bond between the two wasn't that strong. If you put a little bit of force into it, just a little bit, it will fall off. So bear that in mind before you go, I'm gonna copy these YouTubers and do that. So I bought this case by a company called Elixir, who represent it as a MagSafe case, and yes, it is a MagSafe case. It does work. The MagSafe case on the phone and the MagSafe charger, they form such a strong bond. It's almost like having the MagSafe case on top of the iPhone 12 kind of amplifies the magnetism that it was between it. And I don't know if you can see, but you can't even really twist. That doesn't even, you have to put some force into that to move. So that's actually a really strong bond. The only thing I'm not sure about with MagSafe is, will the magnetism last? Like, is it going to wear down after a few months or a year down the line and you're gonna have to spend another £40 to get a new one. This is all new technology to us by Apple, so we're just gonna have to wait and see, I think. Now, one thing that you guys are probably aware of, but I think is worth mentioning, is that if you do pick up on Apple's MagSafe chargers, you cannot charge your phone at full speed unless you use the specific Apple 20-watt USB-C charger. Bear that in mind, and that's an extra £20 on top. So Apple's building up the prices here. But my initial impressions of the MagSafe charger, I love it. I love the technology. I think it's Apple's way of saying we're going to slowly start to phase out ports. You don't need the USB port. You're updating over the air. You can transfer files with AirDrop. Now you can charge with the magnetic charger on the back. We don't really feel the need for the USB port, and we're going to free up some more space, maybe import a larger battery, but the rumors are saying the battery is actually going to be smaller with a different tech in the iPhone 13 next year when that gets released, so we'll see. Anyway guys, that has been my first impressions of the MagSafe charger. Truly, I think it's a fantastic technology. I have got the Belkin MagSafe car phone holder mount. It's a long name, it's a mouthful. I have got that on back order, so that is coming from Apple shortly. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you found something that you could use. If you do like the content, you do like the channel, don't forget to hit the like, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Like I said, if you want me to review any other tech products, let me know and I'll see what I can do. You guys are the ones that make this channel continue, and if it wasn't for you, yeah, if you weren't watching, I probably would have stopped doing this a long time ago. So for every single one of you that watches, thank you so much. I'll see you in next week's video. Peace, take it easy, I'm out of here.